we need a mosque. Mosque is very important for any Muslim community.
I'll go to all my prayers and hopefully not miss any prayers again.
Yeah, definitely, because it's very hard for us to pray in rooms, and we don't have one such facility.
We definitely need a mosque. It will not only help us doing our religious duties and praying Friday prayer, but also for kids, because it will give them a chance to be familiar with our culture.
So it's been 2 years that I'm here in Antigonish, and the day one when I reached in Antigonish, I was looking for a masjid here, and unfortunately I got to know the one that we have closest is in New Glasgow, which is like 30 minutes drive from here. And a person like me who doesn't have a ride, it's hard for me to get there.
It's very hard to find a space to pray, especially when you're studying or going to classes. It's really hard, and sometimes you do miss prayers because you can't be home on time.
I am a student of Center FX, and there are also some Muslim students. We need to know each other. So I think if we have a mosque, we can know each other, and this will be very benefit for us, and this will create diversity in here.
Having a mosque would keep them motivated enough and meet the people who are in Antigonish with the same culture and understand how things are in Antigonish and how life is in terms of religion, as well as how every Muslim is evolving in this different country.
If Muslim students are coming, it will give them impression that there is a Muslim community in this town. So, and they have a place. If it's not only about religion, but if they have any issue like while living in Antigonish, they feel that, so they will know that there is someone there on their back, so to guide them, to support.
I would like to invite everyone, if you want to do some contribute, yeah, this will be very great for you in terms of dunya and in terms of akhirah also.
For all my brothers and sisters who are listening to my voice, I want all to give a sum of at least $1, which can add up to the sum, which can be turned into many more, which can be leading, inshallah, we can build our masjid here, so which will be helpful for our community and also for the students and for the people, for everyone, for doing their prayers and for their further things.
Yeah, well, I hope you do support us, because for me especially, this will be a very good help, and I know that there are a lot of people in Antigonish who will benefit from the mosque. I really hope it does happen.